Harare Council issues final warning to Mbare tenants over unpaid rent. By staff reporter, Haniani News Online. Harare, residents of Mbare's aging council flats have been given a 14-day deadline to clear their overdue rent or face eviction, as the Harare City Council moves to recover millions in unpaid housing fees. In a final warning dated June 18, 2025, Harare's Director of Housing, Admore Nhekero, advised occupants that the local authority would have no choice but to remove them if they continued to ignore repeated reminders to pay. You are hereby served with a last and final notice to pay the outstanding amount or vacate the property. Read part of the letter. Failure to pay monthly rentals constitutes a breach of the lease agreement and gives the city of Harare the right to recover holding costs. The ultimatum is part of a broader citywide campaign to recover money owed by tenants in council-owned properties. However, in Mbare, the move has stirred controversy, as many residents say they are reluctant to pay for homes that have long fallen into disrepair. The flats, some of which are over half a century old, have been condemned by residents' associations for unsafe living conditions. With burst sewer pipes, broken infrastructure, and a lack of maintenance, in 2024, the High Court ordered the City Council to carry out urgent renovations to bring the flats up to basic habitable standards. The municipality has since appealed the ruling, saying it lacks the funds for the works. Combined Harare Residents Association, CHRA Director, Ruben Akili, told Haniani News Online that the failure to fix the flats was at the heart of the rent boycott by some tenants. These are the same flats a court ordered to be renovated. The environment is unacceptable, raw sewage is flowing, walls are crumbling, and basic services are not being provided. The council must first address these issues if they expect residents to pay, Akili said. While some households have kept up with rent payments despite the conditions, others argue that paying for unmaintained housing is unfair. The looming deadline now leaves hundreds of families in Mbare uncertain about their future.